How to use camera angle control in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Then go to camera angle control. Over here you'll see this square that you can move wherever you want. But first we need to upload an image. So we're gonna click over here, upload. Upload again. And we're gonna select an image. I'm gonna select this image. Open. Now we need to control the angle of the image to where we want her to look at. So let's say we want her to look at the left. We could do close-up image and let's create. It's gonna cost 20 credits. And just wait. Okay, so it has finished generating. Now you can see the new image. She looks to the left side. Now let's see the original image. This is the original image and this is the new image. So you can control the angle of the view she's gonna look at. Yes, so this is how to use camera angle control in OpenArt AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like and thank you for watching.